You girls and guys that like to buy lashes from Dollar Tree, I need you to stop being greedy. You guys don't need to take the whole display of strips. Hello, beautiful people. What it is, Sky Squad. Welcome back. And I'm actually about to do some eyelash extensions. I practiced a couple of times with the Kiss press-on ones, and I even practiced with like the bond and the seal. So we're going to do this. I picked up some individual lashes from Dollar Tree. You could pick up even the strips and just cut them up yourself, but I have these. And excuse the nails because I'm gonna do the nails next, but I have the wispy natural shorts. I have the wispy medium length. I have the wispy medium full, which I'm not sure quite what the difference is. And then I have the wispy volume long. I'm not sure which ones I'm going to do just yet. I know I'm going to do the shorts and the mediums. I'm just not sure if I'm going to do the longs or not. Dollar Tree even has the false eyelash extension applicator as well. If you want to see, like, I like to really prioritize self-care and like find good deals. Like I just love finding good deals. Like, why pay more and you could pay less, basically. So if you want to see more of that, I just started Element 8, and I think that's where I wanted to share some of like my finds. So make sure you check that out because I've already posted the haul on there. I do have like a couple of spoolies. I have this kind of spoolie, and I have this travel one I got from Amazon. And then I have these as well. I'm used to using these, but I like how small this one is, so this one might be better. We'll see. And then for the bond and the seal, I'm actually used calamine. Anyways, I got it from Amazon. It actually came in a pack. It had tweezers, it has the remover solution, and it had like two glossomers or something like that. It had two options of lashes, and I got to practice with those. Those lashes didn't have enough curl for me. I have super duper curly lashes, so I won't be curling my eyelashes at all because they're already super curled on its own. But I have the lash and the bond here, and I actually really like this. I think it held it on pretty good, even though I snatched those lashes off the same day. Yeah, so we're going to do this individual lash 3D curls by Dollar Tree situation. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I kind of struggled a little bit with this one. I am just going to commit to this process, I think. And oh God. Okay, I don't really have a lot of eyelashes in the front of my eye or at the very tail end, but I think the mediums are long enough, to be honest with you. But I did put 2 of the wispy longs on the outside and like 3 or so of the wispy medium full, and then 2 of the wispy naturals on the inner corner. So we just gonna rock like that. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be back.
Bro, never met Alan Levine. By the way, all the shots with us in the video,
it was
all green screen. We never met him.
Wait, what?
Let me tell you when we meet them. They're like,
let's get a music video.
Alrighty, beautiful people, that is it for this little tutorial. Definitely takes a little bit of practice, but I think it's very easy to kind of get the hang of it after 1 or 2 tries. This did not come out perfectly perfect, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. We'll see how long these last, but they feel really, really comfortable, and that calamine bond and seal is not irritating to my eyes. And I have sensitive eyes. I'm just a sensitive person. So it doesn't really bother me or anything like that. I would definitely repurchase these individual strip lashes from Dollar Tree. You girls and guys that like to buy lashes from Dollar Tree, I need you to stop being greedy. You guys don't need to take the whole display of strips. Come on, dude. You know you're gonna reuse them, or you know you can reuse them. Just chill on that, okay? I say that because one time I did go to Dollar Tree and this girl cleared them out. I'm just like, bro, did you have to do that? But no, I would really recommend these individual lashes. Like I said, very comfortable. I think it's very easy to work with. I kind of prefer these over the Kiss press-ons, only because if you don't have a lot of lashes in a certain area, it's almost better for you to apply the bond to that area versus using some pre-glued strip that might be too big. You can always cut it down, of course, but I just think you have more control over where the glue actually sticks to and where the lash can then stick to as well. So I really like this. We're gonna see how long it lasts. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Peace out.